Lesson 5, there is and there are. There is used when you want to point out information, facts, and that something exists. There has singular and plural forms. Singular. There is a magazine on the chair. There is a dog in the park. There is a teacher in the lecture hall. Plural form. There are 7 paintings on the wall. There are 4 birds in the tree. There are 30 passengers on the bus. Business English questions. Now for singular, we're going to say, is there a manager in the conference room? The answer to that is yes, there is a manager in the conference room. Another question with singular. Is there a deadline for this project? Yes, there is a deadline. That's a fact. It's something true and it exists. Are there any investors interested in this project? Yes, there are some investors interested in this project. That's it for the business English part. So I believe that practice makes perfect. Go out there and try to point out things, point out facts, point out things that exist. For example, right now, there is a book on my desk. There is a phone in my hand. Okay? Go out there and practice. And see you soon. One last thing, if you want to take a quiz, just check out my website at davidenglish.info and I'll see you soon.